Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Abhi Amabin Punata, before you. So today I'm here to make a chit chat with all of my classmates and my dear fellows. So everyone, feel free to ask me any kind of questions. So who wants to start first?
Please tell about your pet animals.
Okay, so it's pretty embarrassing, but I have 14 birds, and all of our 7 of them are budgies, and 7 of them are cockatiels, and I am obsessed with them. Do you have
Okay,
anything
thank
else
you.
to ask?
No.
How was your day?
My day was pretty boring.
Thank you.
What's your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is well-being, and because
What are you bad at? What are you bad at?
I'm bad at singing.
Which type of movie you like?
I don't like movies.
Which type of songs do you like?
I like all kind of music, definitely pop, Bangla songs, Hindi songs, Bollywood, Hollywood, everything.
Describe a memorable period of your life.
Can you repeat the question again, please?
Describe a memorable period of your life.
A memorable period of my life is when I was born.
Thanks.
Tell me something about your hometown.
My hometown's in India, Delhi. What do you expect? I don't know. I haven't visited my hometown.
Okay, ready. No. Okay.
Do you help the poor?
Yes, I help the poor.
When do you get up?
I usually get up at 9 a.m. or if there is school, then I wake up at 6 a.m.
How much do you need to learn English?
Actually, I have known English for most of my life, so it doesn't really take that much time.
What's your favorite sport and why?
Can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question?
What's your favorite sport and why?
I don't like playing sports, but if I had to choose one, it would be football.
Do you prefer home food or restaurant foods?
I prefer both.
Why?
I can't answer it.
Describe your describe your role model.
I have plenty of role models. Can you choose between these 3 fingers? The first one? Okay, so I should describe Eliash sir now. Eliash sir is a English trainer, and he's a very nice and kind person. That's about it.
What types of job do you like and why?
I like military people and doctors.
Tell me someone you don't like. Tell me someone you don't like.
I shouldn't answer that question.
Are you a homebody or you are someone who loves to travel all the time?
I'm someone who likes to stay home and travel. But to be honest, I like staying home the most.
What do you put on?
What? Can you repeat the question?
What do you put on?
Put on what?
It means that where do you live?
Oh, sorry. I couldn't recall. I live in Banasree, A block.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Describe your role model.
She says
I already answered it. I answered the role model question. Can you ask me another question?
Describe and introduce your family member.
Can you repeat the question? I cannot hear you.
Describe and introduce your family members.
Any family member, or should I introduce everyone?
Any.
Okay, so I would like to introduce and describe my mother. My mother is a very hardworking person, and she she basically sacrifices everything in her life for me. So next question.
What are you slow at?
Can you say it louder, please? I'm slow at Bangla.
Have you ever visited any foreign country?
I don't think India counts as foreign country, but I have visited India.
What's your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is lime because I like lime juice.
What's your favorite season and why?
I like the season. Should I keep answering? I like the season winter and summer, but I won't say summer because if I say summer, সবাই আমাকে গণপিটানি দিবে।
I think you know that Bangladesh is a. Sir, I can stand. Bangladesh is a country of festivals and celebrations. So, which one is your favorite?
I think personally I like Pohela Boishakh the most.
Who is your best friend and tell me something about her?
I have 3 best friends. My first best friend is Parisha. She is Parisha. She is very weird. She has this very creepy smile. My second best friend is Nafisa. And she also has a creepy smile.
So, is there any subject that you don't like or you are bad at, and why?
Okay, I don't like the subject science, and I am bad at Bangla.
How many languages can we speak?
I speak 3 languages.
What do you prefer, artificial beauty or natural beauty?
Natural beauty, of course.
So earlier you said you prefer music. So which is your favorite music brand?
What musician? What?
So music band.
Oh, that's a hard question. One Direction, Imagine Dragons, BTS, 80s, etc.
Who is your favorite idol?
What kind of idol?
What kind of idol do you mean?
Like foreign idol, idol
No.
that I know.
No, not a foreign idol. That's
Someone I know
Yes.
that I think as an idol. Eliash sir. Oh my god. Okay, tell me the best thing about yourself. Everything is best about me. I am the best.
Describe yourself in a word.
Perfect. Thank you very much for listening to me have a chit chat with my classmates and my fellows. So I hope I didn't bore you guys, and thank you for listening.